Great, so this is Tableau. Let's get started by bringing in some data. First thing we've got is this data set here. In Excel format. It's going to show us year, song, artist, the other information we have about it. Right? A bunch of values for the timber. Okay, but what we want to see is, let's go make something. Let's start off with just like a histogram of energy. Alright, so done. Histogram of energy. Energy scales from 0 to 1. You can see how many of them here. Let's try instead pitch. Go ahead and get rid of that. Get rid of that too. So pitch doesn't change a whole lot. So let's try something more interesting. Let's do pitch and compare that to by top 10. So you got it. What's it want? Dimensions and measures. I want a box and whisker. That's not what we want. All right, here we go. Dimensions, that's what I was getting wrong. Let's start off with year and loudness. Let's flip that. All right, so we can see year on the bottom and loudness, how loud this changes over time. Cool. But if we want to organize it by top 10, this is actually a dimension. We're going to change that, convert to dimension. So now we get 2 lines. Orange means it was top 10, and blue means it was not top 10. And you can already see there's a huge difference between the two. If we click on it, we can add trend line here. Great. So we've got the trend line for non-top 10 songs is decreasing over time, and the trend line for top 10 songs is increasing over time. Right? Top 10. So this is kind of hard to read. We can just change this, edit it to say, it's fine. I'm going to change the names. Format legend. There we go. Edit title. There we go. No, it's top 10. Don't recall how I'm supposed to change this. So what happens when you switch between programs a lot? You forget the little things on how to change it. So that's loudness. Maybe we don't want loudness. Maybe we would rather have something else instead of loudness. So let's try time signature. Get rid of loudness. So I think this is how long the song is. That's interesting. The top songs have all stayed around the same length, and these have increased a lot. Let's see. Check out energy here. So we've got energy and time signature on the bottom. They follow exactly the same path. It's really interesting. All right, that's one page. Let's make a new page. And like to make a box and whisker plot. So I need a dimension and a measure. The measure is going to be energy, and the dimension is going to be top 10. And we'll flip it that way. I actually want this to be, I'd like to have it by color. Let's see down here. I want to have 2 of these at dealing. Let's see if we add it here to a filter. That's going to give us 2. No. Add our years back. You can see these change over time. Oh, let's flip those again. That's not one dimension to disaggregate. Here we go. Leave it down here. Nope. Let's try it up there. So our box and whisker is not working that well. It's not that interesting. It's energy. Let's change instead to tempo and see if we can get that. Nah. So here we go. That's looking more like a box and whisker plot, but it's oriented the wrong way. So anyway, this is Tableau, and we play around with it until we get what we like. We can actually come up to the very top and share it. So we can save what we've done. Save that. This is not a very beautiful thing that we've made, but we have indeed published it into the website. So it's here, publicly available for all to see. I'm going to go ahead and take it down since it's not great. And that is how we can do analysis using Tableau and publish it to the Tableau server, all for free.